Hey guys, it's your girl Jessie here, and I am back with another video. Ooh, second week of a nail school. Let's get it. Alright y'all, so this is my second nail school vlog, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in my nail kit, what I learned so far at school, and you know, just chop it up real quick with it. And yeah, we just gonna talk today. I need to make this brighter because I feel like y'all can't see me and not gonna be able to see what I got. So let's go ahead and get into the video. And yeah, if you're in nail school, comment down below. If you have any questions about, you know, nail school, you know, I'll answer them. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so y'all, this is my nail bag. Bada bing, bada boom. So as you guys know, I did a haul. Well, I went to shopping at a nail supply store because the nail kit that the school that I go to gave me is so freaking trash. Like, they didn't give me practically anything, like nothing that I could use, nothing that I like would benefit me. So I had to go buy my own, and I ended up spending $120. Like, I was pissed, but it is what it is. You gotta just invest in yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the nail kits that I purchased, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you guys primarily what they gave me and what I had to buy. All right, let's go. So first, they gave me this ugly hand. They gave me this hand. I guess, child. I haven't used it yet. I plan on getting my own silicone hand. Shoot, send me one. If the vendor is watching this, which they probably won't, because I just started like this vlog. But this is the hand, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty just, you know, stiff mannequin, not available for me to use. Next, what else did they give me? They gave me a book. Yep. My lady standard nail technician book, and yeah, it's a book that talks about, you know, things about nails, which I'm probably not gonna read because my school is a hands-on school. I made sure I picked a school that's really hands-on. I'm not a book type of girl, but I have tests as well that I have to complete. Oh, and she gave me the pages that I have to complete them on, so we'll get into that never, because we're not talking about tests on my freaking YouTube channel. Next on the list, so they gave me these. I don't know if I bought these or if they gave me these. They gave me like 2 of these, and then I ended up buying more. That's pretty much it. What else did they give me? You see how I'm looking for things that they gave me? That's how bad it is. Okay, back to the video. They gave me some nippers, and they're pretty weak and lame, so I bought my own. And well, these are not nippers. I don't even know what you call these, but y'all, it's my first, like, it's my second week. Forgive me if I don't know the name of this, but I think they're nippers. All right, next thing that they provided me with were some fingers. They gave me like 5 fingers, and then they gave me 5 fingers. And they gave me some nail clippers, and they're not even straight edge nail clippers. They're like regular nail clippers, and they pretty much suck because I want straight edge nail clippers. I purchased some, but they're not in my box currently. So yeah, that's pretty much all they gave me, you guys. What I just named to you guys. Y'all, my cat. Yes, Cookie. Come on in. You're interrupting my video. Hi. Hi. This is my baby, you guys. My Cookie. This is my cat. She's pretty much in a bad mood right now. Probably wants to be rubbed or something. But I'm gonna put her down because, you know, cats be moody. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I had to go purchase myself, and a little bit of, you know, some insight on what to expect when you go in to a nail supply store. So I went ahead and purchased myself this because you have to cut, like, you know, the tips off or whatever the case may be. So I needed that. I bought myself some better quality nail nippers. They're not the best of the best, but they're cobalt. So my instructor told me that cobalt cuticle nippers would be better because they're sharper and they just have better resistance and things like that. So I went ahead and purchased my own, and they feel way better than what the school provided me with. So that's, you know, a plus. Oh, the school gave me the I guess this cuticle pusher. They gave me this pusher, or whatever the case may be, like to, you know, take the dead skin off. I brought myself some files. Oh, and the school also gave me some nail glue. Whoopity whoop. But yeah, so I got myself some nail files. I got like a few of them. And I bought myself, you know, a couple buffers, like a few buffers, because I feel like I needed buffers. Now, I went into the store. I needed some acrylic to practice with, so I went ahead and purchased these 3. I bought this dark pink, and I paid like $11.99 for all 3 of them. I got like this dark pink, which I really like. I don't know if you guys can see the color differentiations of them. And then I got white. I don't know if I'm ever gonna use white, but I used it to practice with it, but I don't know if I'm gonna like do anything with it while I'm in school. And then I got clear so that I can, you know, practice. The next thing that I purchased, I got this because it was so cute to me, and sometimes I just buy things because I think it's really cute. I got, maybe I should put the light down so you guys can see a bit better. Can you guys see better now? I doubt it, but whatever. So I went ahead and got this. It's cuticle oil, and it's so freaking cute. It has little flowers in there, and you know, I just like it because it was cute, so I bought it. And then I had to buy some tips with the casing. I paid like $125 for each size of the nail tips, and I got natural because they didn't have every number in the clear kind. And then I bought 1 packet of clear just so that I can practice and see if, you know, the clear gel that they gave me, the clear acrylic powder, was actually clear, and it actually is. So I'm not mad about that. I went ahead and bought these because I was at like $1.18, and I was like, give me something for $2, and she just gave me some little cheap diamonds or whatever the case may be. So we went ahead and went with that. And I got some nail forms or dual forms, whatever they're called, and I got these minx coat tips for my fingers. I put them on my plastic fingers, that way I can get the acrylic off of them. Like I can just pop off whatever I practice on, that way I don't have to soak the plastic fingers because I don't have time for that. And then I bought some base coat and top coat from the nail supply as well. They're pretty good or whatever. You just have to wipe through like a nice wipe down to really get like the shininess and clearness from the product. I bought some monomer from them, from the nail supply, and I had to go to another nail supply, and I'm gonna give you guys a story about this. So we're gonna stop and we're gonna talk about this later. Okay, and I also bought 2 dapping dishes. This is so that I can put my monomer liquid in it, you know, dip dip, flip flip, skip skip. I got some gloves, you know, because we are learning, you know, how to do feet and people's nails and stuff like that. So I want to have some gloves just in case I gotta do somebody's feet. And you know, I don't want to touch nobody's feet. Like, oh my god, like, And I got me a little mask, you know, when the monomer is too strong. So I haven't purchased a drill yet. I have a few things that I have to purchase, and you know, your girl gotta wait till she get paid. I'm not about to go spend all my money. You know, your girl is on a budget. Your girl got bills, so I just have to do everything within time. But by the time I'm done with school, I should have everything that I need. God willing, y'all. Let's pray over these finances so that I can buy whatever I want to buy. And so I'm just fixing everything back right now. Sorry, y'all, if it's taking too long. And I didn't want to make this video too long because I didn't want you guys to feel like I was wasting your time. And I know you guys gotta go, you know. Gotta go right now. Alright, so I'm just fixing my stuff accordingly because I want to keep it organized. That way my shit doesn't fall everywhere and then I'll be pissed off. So, okay, now we're gonna go ahead and talk about the brushes that I bought. So I bought a total of 2 brushes. I brought a size 14 brush, and then I got a size 12 brush. I bought these from the nail supply. I used this 14 brush yesterday, It was pretty good. It was pretty big. My teacher suggested I get a number 8, but I'm gonna purchase a variety of sizes because everybody is different. Everybody writes differently. Like, I'm a left-handed person, so you know, I hold like pens and pencils differently from someone who is right-handed, and I wanted to give myself a variety, that way I can see what feels best for me. So I suggest you guys buy multiple size brushes, and plus it was no exchange and no return, so I have to keep the brushes that I purchased, but I only bought 2, so it is what it is. Okay, and on this second week, I went ahead and just tried to practice a little bit and see what I'm capable of. Like, basically I learned the foundation on how to apply how to apply acrylic. You know, nail school doesn't really teach you that much, in my opinion. I just feel like it's more, you know, trial and error. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So I just went ahead and started just practicing stuff by myself to see, you know, what I'm capable of, and to see, you know, if I'm actually doing the right thing. Like, oh my god, it's not as easy as I thought it was. That's one, and you really have to practice in order to get good. But so I tried dual forms for the first time, and I'm going to show you guys an example of what I did. It does not look perfect. I'm just showing you guys an example of, you know, me just trying. That's it. So these are my fake nails, my fake fingers, and this is the first nail that I put on a scope. As you can see, it's very crooked, like it's not even straight. But like I said, it's practice, and I want to keep it real with you guys, just in case you have, like, you know, you want to go to school for nails and you want to know what to expect if you're afraid or you feel like you're not good enough. Like, I never did acrylic or anything 2 weeks ago, and I actually tried for the first time, and it wasn't that bad. I just have to practice, and I have to make sure, you know, I stay consistent so that I can, like, you know, have a foundation set. So I feel like, you know, just go for it, girl. Like, go for it. And then this is my second nail. I did clear. I didn't put any top coat or anything. I didn't even buff them out or whatever the case may be. I just wanted to see if I could use a dual form, which is not the best, but this one is a little bit better. I tried the second time and it was a little bit better. But yeah, this is pretty much what I did. Alright, and I went ahead and so I did these 2 on a nail form to see how good I could get it, and y'all, it's pretty cute. But that's pretty much it. And this is with the pink acrylic that I showed you guys, and this is with clear. I didn't do one in white because I was doing it in my house, and the smell was so strong I had to stop. So I need to do it with somewhere with like a lot of ventilation, and I just learned that pretty much because the smell was so strong, and my mom and my brother was like, "You need to do this, that it's so strong. What is that?" So I had to stop. But now we're gonna go ahead and talk about monomer. So the school that I go to, these people use MMA. I'm not gonna say anything because I found an affordable school, and the other schools that I found are like way more expensive than where I go. So I just decided to purchase my own monomer. And you guys have to be careful with people purchasing MMA. That is like dental solution. Like, they use that for dental products. It's not meant for your skin, and it will really cause damage to your nails. So I went ahead and purchased my own monomer. This was like $20. It's really expensive, but it's worth it. Like, you won't have someone suing you if something happens to them and you get your license taken away. And plus, the smell is less harsh than MMA. MMA smells like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's so strong. Like, immediately I got a headache. My sinuses were really stuffy, so I couldn't use it. So I just decided to purchase my own. And y'all, be careful, because MMA, you'll just know when you're using MMA. Like, it's super duper strong. Like, it's so strong. The smell alone is gonna show you the difference. And the color is I think it's a little bit lighter or darker, but monomer and MMA, you can tell by the color and by the smell if it's good or not. And with MMA, bro, like, if you put acrylic on that brush, you gotta get it down in about 5 seconds or it's drying up. With monomer, you'll be able to play with it more. It'll be more manageable. You'll be able to move it around. So definitely I would recommend that you get monomer and not MMA. You shouldn't use it, and it's illegal. When I went in there, I was like, is this I was like, oh, can I get some monomer? She brought me a big bottle, and she was like, oh, it's $13. And I'm like, is that MMA? And she was like, oh no, it's monomer. I said, no, that's not, that's MMA. I mean, she was like, that's monomer. I said, no, that's not, that's MMA. So she went to the back, and I'm gonna show you guys this little bottle this lady gave me. So she gave me this, and I used it on for practicing class. She gave me this for $5. This little teeny wincy bottle for $5, but you were about to give me a huge bottle of MMA, and I had to verify that with you. So why would you lie? And why would you tell me that? Like, I really didn't want to purchase it, but I needed it for class, so I just bought it. But why would you lie about that? And then give me the real thing. So this one says no MMA on it. I'm gonna try to get it to zoom in so that you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see where it says no MMA. But yeah, it says no MMA on it. Hold up. But yeah. Sus tried to lie to me like, girl, if I call the police up in here, for y'all get a fine for lying to me. Yeah, so she basically lied and was like, oh, yeah, there's MMA. I was like, no, that's not. And she was like, oh, I have this for $5. Yeah, you can sell me this for $5, but you're going to give me MMA, which is illegal. You guys shouldn't even be selling it in here. But y'all know these Asians, not to be racist or anything, but when you go into the Asian salons, they put that crap on your nails. Like, that thing dries up so fast. So I'm grateful that this second week I've learned so much on, you know, how they should care for your nails and things that they should do, that I'm gonna go do a vlog and go to get my nails done at a nail salon. And if they try me, I'm recording. I'm gonna be like, I don't want that. That's MMA. Y'all better put monomer on my hands, and y'all better prep my nails the proper way, and don't drill me to the point where my nails are burning. Like, there's so many things that I have learned in this 2 weeks that I cannot wait to share with you all, and, you know, just talk about, because there's a lot of things that these people are doing improperly, and we need to be informed and, you know, let them know, like, hey, that's not right. I'm paying you my money. You guys are charging me top dollar. You better be giving me the top quality services and top quality products, not just the cheapest thing that you can find and putting it on my nails. You know what I'm saying? And even monomer isn't supposed to be on your skin for too much. Like, you're not supposed to even have it on the client's skin, because it can cause, you know, damage to their skin, irritation, and things like that. So it's best to just keep it away from nails, from the skin, and just keep it on the nail bed. Y'all, this is the conclusion of my second week of nail school, and I showed you guys what's in my kit. Next week, I'm taking a trip to Texas to go do a one-on-one nail training with someone from Texas. You guys are gonna find out when I'm actually on my way, and I'm gonna upload that next week. So be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you're in nail school, if you have any questions. Like, I just want you guys to have this journey with me and see, you know, what I'm doing, how I'm doing on a week-to-week basis. I'm gonna try to be as consistent as possible, and sooner than later, I'm gonna start, you know, practicing nails and different designs and trying to do nail inspo and things like that before I start doing nails. So thank you guys so much for watching my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.